Hello friends, strawberries are in season and today we are going to make a very simple and very tasty recipe with just 4 simple ingredients. Let's make strawberry cream with jelly. So the ingredients for this recipe are fresh strawberries. I've cut these strawberries, I've washed them and I've cut them nicely. We'll require a jelly mix, so it's easily available in the market. You can just buy jelly mix powder from the market. I'm using the raspberry jelly for this recipe. We'll be requiring fresh cream, so you can buy the cream from the market or you can also use fresh cream, that is malai, at home. And we'll also require sugar. Okay, so the first step is we'll heat a pan and in that I'm going to add these fresh strawberries and we're going to make a nice strawberry sauce out of this. So add the strawberries and sugar. Now mix it nicely until we get a thick consistency and the strawberry turns soft. So I'll be cooking it for about 4 to 5 minutes. So after about 1 minute, you can see the sugar has melted nicely and we have to cook it for some more time till the strawberry becomes soft. So after about 2 minutes, that is how the strawberries are going to look. And we are going to cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes more. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, this is how the sauce is going to look. It has turned thick and even the strawberries have become soft now. And so our sauce is ready. Now we are going to cool this sauce. So I'm going to turn off the flame. Now this sauce is very versatile. You can just cool it down and you can store it in a jar in the fridge. And you can use it to make milkshakes or even strawberry yogurt, or you can just pour it over your ice cream and then enjoy it. But today we are going to make strawberry cream out of it. So let's just cool this down, and in the meantime we are going to make strawberry jelly. Now one important thing while making this sauce is that make sure that the temperature is not very high. We keep the flame on medium heat and continuously keep stirring it, because if you don't stir it, it's going to stick because it has sugar in it. So now let's make the jelly. In the meantime, this will cool down. Now I'm going to mix this jelly mix into this powder, and I'm going to make jelly according to the instructions given on the packet, and it required me to add 3 cups of hot water in this jelly mix. So I'm going to do that and just dissolve it. So it's dissolved. And now our jelly water is ready. Just let this jelly mixture cool down a little bit, and now I'm going to pour this jelly water in these nice shot glasses and I'm going to present it nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to half fill these shot glasses with the jelly water, and then I'm going to tilt it in these ice cube trays and I'm going to put it like this. So let me show you how we are going to present it. So just fill it half with this jelly water. So this is about half filled, and I'm going to tilt it. Be very careful, just like this. Similarly, I'm going to fill more shot glasses with the liquid and let it set like this. In about 15 minutes it will set. So now, as you can see, I have rested these glasses tilted, and now the jelly is going to set like this. So in the meantime, we will be whipping the cream. So I've taken cream in a bowl and I'm going to whip it nicely. Now when you whip the cream, it's very important to make sure that the cream is cold. It's not at the room temperature. And secondly, that don't over whip the cream, because if you over whip it, then it's going to turn into butter. So it's very important to see, as soon as you start getting those light peaks, then you have to stop whipping the cream and the cream would be ready. So I have whipped this cream for about 2-3 minutes, and this is how it looks. And now to this I'm going to add the strawberry sauce that we prepared. So make sure that the strawberry sauce has cooled properly and then only add to this cream, otherwise it's going to turn bad. So I'm going to add the strawberry sauce that we prepared. And now I'm going to mix it nicely. Okay, so we have mixed the strawberry sauce with the cream, and trust me, this is tasting delicious. Now let's just pour this strawberry cream over the jelly that we have prepared, and this is how we are going to pour. The jelly is also set. Just very carefully pour the strawberry cream over this, and you can see it has taken a beautiful shape. And here we are ready with very simple ingredients, strawberry cream with jelly. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.